Binance to MetaMask tutorial 25 How to transfer crypto safely step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to transfer crypto from your Binance account to your MetaMask wallet, step by step. Voiceover. This tutorial works whether you're sending Ethereum, BNB, USDT, or other tokens, and will cover all the key steps so you don't lose your funds. MetaMask is a popular non-custodial wallet used to store, send, and receive crypto, especially the Ethereum-based tokens and Binance Smart Chain tokens. Why transfer from Binance? Simple. You want control over your crypto, access to dApps, DeFi platforms, or NFT marketplaces. On-screen graphics, MetaMask browser extension plus mobile app. Binance account interface, use cases, DeFi and NFTs, Web3 login. If you haven't already, download the MetaMask extension or app, then either create a new wallet or log into your existing one. Voiceover, screen tutorial. Install MetaMask from the official site. Create password and backup seed phrase. Unlock wallet safety tip, on screen. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Before transferring, make sure you're on the correct network, Ethereum, BSC, BNB Smart Chain, or others. On-screen guide, switch networks in MetaMask. Example, ETH for Ethereum, use ERC20. Example, BNB, use BEP20. Add BSC manually, if not available. Host, sending on the wrong network is the #1 mistake beginners make, and it could cost you your funds. Now open MetaMask and copy your wallet address. It's right at the top. Starts with 0x. On-screen demo. Show copying wallet address. Warning. Only send tokens supported by the current network host. Got your address copied? Great. Now let's head over to Binance. Log in to Binance. Go to Wallet. Fiat and Spot. Click Withdraw. Next to the crypto you want to send, paste MetaMask wallet address. Select correct network, ERC20C or BEP20. Enter the amount, confirm and complete 2FA host. Always double-check the network and wallet addresses before you hit withdraw. A small mistake can lead to permanent loss. Voiceover. Once the transaction is confirmed on Binance, you can track it on a blockchain explorer. Screen tutorial. Use etherscan.io for Ethereum. Use bscscan.com for BNB. Smart Chain paste your wallet address to track incoming transaction. Host. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Be patient, especially during network congestion. Always use official MetaMask and Binance websites. Triple-check wallet addresses. Only use supported networks. Avoid low gas fees that could delay your transaction. Host. And don't forget, never share your seed phrase. Not with friends, not with support agents, not with anyone. That's it! You've successfully transferred crypto from Binance to MetaMask. Let me know in the comments, what crypto are you using MetaMask for? DeFi? NFTs? Just hodling? Call to action. CTA. Like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Hit the bell so you never miss an update.